Order Kibagendi, you are now a stranger in the house.
Thutha wa kuheo mukana ndagekinyie mbunge kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 14, mũmbunge wa Kitutu Chache ya mũhuro Anthony Kibagendi ni ararutorirwo mbunge o rĩngĩ muthi wa kerĩ kiumia gĩkĩ thutha wa Spika Wetangula kuheana watho ndagekinyie cikaro-inĩ icio ni ũndũ wa mĩario yake ceceni-inĩ ya Citizen TV.
Lady that has strategically refused to come to the studio, Honorable Gladys Boss-Sholei, who together with the Speaker, listen to me, look here, who together with the Speaker have handed over Parliament to become an appendage of State House.
As a member of this House, first to say the House has been auctioned, then you have no business to sit in an auctioned house.
Mbatũni ĩno ya Linda Mwanchi irauga kou nĩ kuma atongoria wĩyathi wa kwaria ũrĩa nĩ ũmwe wa wĩra ũrĩa mahetwo kĩwatho meta maitho ma Wanjikũ wathani-inĩ.
For a fact that the only problem they have with Anthony Kibagendi is that Mr. Kibagendi has stayed on business on matters of corruption at SHA, and they want to kill that voice in the National Assembly because they know that is where the people sent us to be able to represent them. If we are asking questions about corruption in SHA, if we are asking questions on whether SHA is working or not, that is our responsibility as members of Parliament.
He spoke outside Parliament, and therefore whatever he said is not binding inside Parliament or within the precincts of Parliament. The Speaker and members of the National Assembly, some members of National Assembly, have acted very unprofessionally.
Marauga ti kĩhoto kũrĩ aikari a Kitutu Chache na nĩkĩo Spika Wetangula aga gũtĩa rĩtana rĩao he makinya megũtacũkia ma kĩwatho kuona nĩ agararĩte watho wa igoti.
The Honorable Kibagendi took the matter to court as a believer in the rule of law that disputes should be settled under the auspices of the law. The court has made a decision that the Honorable Kibagendi should be allowed back in Parliament. And when he comes back to Parliament to serve the people of Kitutu Chache South, again another illegal decision is made to suspend him from the House in disobedience of the orders of the court for another 14 days.
And we shall also seek for an order of certiorari to quash or annul the decision to suspend or further suspend Honorable Kibagendi for 14 days. And we want the court to assert its authority and dignity and punish the contemnors.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.